Today we're going to tackle Comethazine. He's a new rapper that I just heard of and he seems to be on the come up. If you were to extract X and Jaden Smith's DNA, shoot it in a test tube, mix it up, and inject a bitch with it, 9 months later, a young Comethazine would pop out of those vaginal walls. Alright, so we're going to get started on the beat. First I laid down this clap. Next I laid down this melody in the D major scale using an omnisphere patch. Next I layered these kicks. People have been saying that my kicks aren't hitting hard enough, so I'm gonna make this one bang. Next I laid down this hat pattern. Then I added this string stab sample. Next I added a simple melody with the Mellotron flute in the contact library. Then I laid down this super simple 808 pattern that alternates between two notes, D and A, or the first and fifth scale degree of the D major scale. Then I added this reverse hat sound. Lastly, I added this snare for extra bounce. So remember earlier when I said that I was going to make the kick stand out more? What I did was I put a peak controller on the kick channel in the mixer, and I made a bus to put all the melodic elements in. Then I used the peak controller to lower the volume of the melodic bus whenever the kick hits. This makes the kick stand out more. Okay, here's what the beat sounds like. Now it's time to write some lyrics. After closely dissecting and analyzing Comethazine's lyrics, here's what I think he talks about the most. 1. He uses lots of ad-libs. In fact, I think he may be more ad-lib than he is man. 2. He talks about smoking boofy. I don't know what the fuck this is, but if anybody knows, feel free to let me know in the comments. 3. Talks about guns. 4. Having sex with models and chicks that look like Demi Lovato. And 5. He calls people goofy. Alright, let's see what we've come up with. Smoking on the boofy with the Zans. Your man's a little goofy, he a fan. Roll up with the toolie in my hand. Your bitch be sucking dick up on the gram. 20K around my neck. Fuck her on the plane